Popular recording artist Choppa on St. Anne's Most Wanted taking note in a dramatic shootout with police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall recording artist Choppa was gunned down in a confrontation with police on Saturday. The Chop Mood artist, whose real name is Swan Hall, was killed during a dramatic daylight shootout that claimed the life of St. Anne's most wanted man, 42-year-old Mantan Brown, also known as Bantan, and also injuring a police officer. So the police are reporting that one of St. Anne's most wanted men, 42-year-old Mantan Brown, was one of two men who were taken down during a confrontation with members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, in St. Anne's on Saturday. Reports are that shortly before 4 p.m., an intelligence-driven operation led by members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC, led an enforcement operation in a section of the North-South Highway, popularly known as the Edward Seaga Highway, where they confronted an occupant of a white Toyota Crown motor car. It's further reported that upon the approach of the police, men on board the motor car immediately began firing at law enforcement officers and a firefight ensued. Head of the Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, said that in the end we understand that two men were shot and injured. A police officer was also shot and injured. The injured persons were taken to the St. Anne's Hospital, where two men succumbed to their injuries while undergoing treatment. Lindsay said a firearm and several rounds of ammunition were also seized. She also said that an update on the injured police officer will be provided. Mantan Brown, otherwise called Bantan, was wanted in connection with multiple cases of murder and shooting. These include the April 2017 double murder of Alaska Castillo and Adrian Thompson in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, the murder of Kiefer Gallimore, otherwise called Chucky or King Cover, in Brownstown, St. Anne's in September 2020, and the murder of Liebert Piper in Brownstown, St. Anne in February 2021. Brown was featured in the Constabulary's Wanted Wednesday social media campaign on multiple occasions. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.